If someone is killed as the result of someone else's negligence, a lawsuit may be brought. The claim must be brought through the estate of the deceased's relative by the estate's personal representative. The law is very specific as to who may recover, such as a spouse, children, parents, or siblings. Wrongful death damages typically include compensation to close relatives for the loss of future income, loss of companionship and love, and loss of support of their loved one. Although the loss of future earnings may be significant, the most significant aspect of any wrongful death case is usually the loss of the emotional attachment the loved one provided. Also, if the person did not die instantly, but had a period where they had conscious pain and suffering, a separate claim may also be brought for this period of pain and suffering. This is a separate element in a wrongful death case, though the matters are brought in the same lawsuit. In cases where the at-fault person's negligence is extremely egregious, punitive damages may be available to punish the person's conduct and act as a deterrent to future bad conduct. Gross negligence, however, is conduct that is much greater than ordinary negligence, and as a result, it is not frequently found in non-criminal cases. And a wrongful death case is civil, not a criminal proceeding. Wrongful death cases are always very emotional. Some of the more difficult cases of my career have involved working with families who have lost a loved one. When you are grieving, it's hard to make sound decisions without the help of family and friends. You should not make any major decisions without consulting an attorney first. And you absolutely should not enter into any settlement agreements, sign any releases, or accept any money until you've had an opportunity to sit down and discuss the matter with an experienced injury lawyer. Take the time necessary to go through the grieving process before you make any decisions. And the grieving process differs from person to person. But be aware, there is a time limit on how much time you have to bring a wrongful death claim. In Massachusetts, there is a statute of limitations which applies to wrongful death cases. The law provides families with 3 years from the date of death or 3 years from the date the executor or administrator of the estate learned about the cause of death to bring the claim. The best advice I can give anyone contemplating bringing a wrongful death claim is to contact an experienced wrongful death lawyer immediately to protect your rights. This will do 2 important things. First, it will allow you to preserve any critical evidence needed to successfully hold the at-fault person responsible, since your lawyer will begin an investigation immediately. Second, it would allow you and your family to focus on what's really important during this emotional time, and that's being there for your loved ones. Let your attorneys worry about the legal aspect of the case. If you or a loved one would like to discuss potential wrongful death claims, please give us a call. The consultation is always free, and there's absolutely no obligation to retain us. We're here to help.